it's a miracle. Ang traffic light sa Punta Princesa nag-on.
Cowboy Paano.
That noise pollution. Oh, it's not gonna be traffic anymore. Yep. So let's see what it's like. Traffic. Man. But of course we're using a motorcycle so we can just sneak to whichever part. What's the matter, dude? Okay. Alright, cool. Okay, careful. Okay, good. Oh, it's a miracle. Ang traffic light sa Punta Princesa nag-on. At last. Can't believe it. Unbelievable. Huh? It's so seldom to see this traffic light here, right in the middle of Punta Princesa here, CEBU City. It's been turned on. Maybe those traffic enforcers are all fed up commanding like the traffic. Yeah, it's supposed to be automated, right? I don't know what's causing the traffic here. Come on. Ooh. And it was unbelievable to see that traffic light turned on. What's really the purpose of traffic lights? That is to lessen manpower and at the same time to, yeah, that's automated, so that's supposedly make our lives easier, right? But hey, you have to take it differently here in Punta Princesa. You know, right in the crossing. Just couldn't help myself but laugh at it. I don't know. Maybe at some point they're thinking that it's not working, the traffic lights are not working. I mean, not literally not working, but the purpose of the traffic light isn't working. So sometimes you will see like few traffic enforcers there, 3-4 traffic enforcers, and can you imagine, like, that's only for that particular area. So I don't know, your guess is as good as mine. More people, more votes maybe during election day. I don't know. Again, I don't know. When was the last time that I made a vlog? I'm trying to change the settings of this GoPro Hero 5. I don't know if it works well or not, but let's see. If this would turn out okay or fine, then those of my previous vlogs or videos, I'm gonna share with you guys what I did. But nah. Some say that I sounded like a DJ. Char. I don't know how many people I called some. But yeah, really, I've given a chance to maybe like to become a DJ. Yeah, I wish I could. Yeah, and I don't know how to get to that. How to get to that place? I mean, not really place, but I don't know. What do you call a DJ? Is it like a profession? I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I guess it could be like a profession, right? Because that's what you are, right? And so you're listening to Florida. Hi, good evening, guys. Now listen to this ride show. I mean, I was gonna say it's a radio show, but since we're riding, we're gonna call it like a ride show, right? So this is your what? DJ, the Cowboy Moto. Yeah, I mean, even for a day, maybe I'd like to be. I want to try that, being a DJ. So to all across Cebu, maybe if you're planning to grab someone, like just for an extra, maybe I can give it a try, and I would like to audition maybe. I don't know, you will be talking most of the time, like not really most of the time, but that's the entire time. Well, you'll be and the radio. I mean, that's on the radio rather. You know, don't think that's boring. I mean, you're thinking that that's boring. I mean, there are some listeners, right, that might perhaps want to share their stories, because before I used to listening to like late radio shows. There are still callers really that's going to be calling that specific radio station. They want to share their lives. It could be their relationship or whatnot. So, hello to any radio station who's in need of a frustrated DJ. So you can comment down below. Char.